Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you want to actually perform a mail merge, click the Finish and Merge button in the Finish button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon. From the drop-down menu, you will see the options that you have for finishing the merge: Merge to Printer, Merge to New Publication, Add to Existing Publication, or Send Email Messages. If you select the Merge to Printer choice, you will send the results of the merge directly to your printer for printing. Note that if you are mail merging mailing labels using one of the mailing label templates in Publisher versus return labels, then you will want to select the Multiple Pages per Sheet command from the Settings section of the Print Backstage view to force the different pages of the mailing labels onto one sheet, as Publisher only prints unique records once per page, unlike Word. If you select the Merge to New Publication choice, you will create a secondary output publication that contains the results of the merge, which you can then edit if you want. If you select the Add to Existing Publication choice, the Open Publication window will appear, where you can then select the publication to which you want to append the merged result set as additional publication pages. If you want to merge the results and send them as emails, click the Email Merge drop-down button in the Start button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon, and then select the Email Merge command from the drop-down menu. Click Yes in the dialog box that appears to ask you if you want to stay connected to the current data source. Then select the Send Email Messages command from the Finish and Merge button in the Finish button group on the Mailings tab in the ribbon to open the Merge to Email dialog box. In the Required Information section, select the Merge field that contains the recipient's email address from the To drop-down menu. Then enter a subject line for the email into the subject line text box. You can even select merge fields from the adjacent list to customize the subject line if desired. Click the Options button to open and display additional mailing fields that you can customize as you wish. When you are finished, click the Send button to open Outlook and send the merged emails.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.